Hey guys, today we're going to be making noises with these straws. I don't know how my brother did it. As you can see, it's
You're not showing it, boy. Here. Boy, look. It's like this. Shit, what the fuck?
Let's see. It's like two little triangles.
You just have to do it with scissors. You have to cut it in the sides. Both sides, and then
it feels like a needle.
feels like you need, and you have to like kind of squeeze it. Not a lot, just like very little, and then blow on it like not like this, but like that. Well,
It's like this.
but
So you tell us in the comments below who makes the loudest noise. Who for near you?
You.
Okay.
There.
Okay.